How to program a TCL remote to a TV. So if your TCL remote isn't controlling your TV or you're setting up a new remote, this video will guide you how to pair and program your TCL remote step by step. These methods work for most TCL Roku TVs, Android TVs, and Google also. So first, check what type of remote you have, infrared or Bluetooth or voice. This matters because the setup process is different. Now the first setup is for the Bluetooth one. Turn on your TCL TV, stand close to the TV, and press and hold Home plus OK on your remote for 5 seconds. You should see a pairing message on the TV screen. When the pairing screen appears, select Pair Remote, wait until confirmation appears, and once paired, voice control and full navigation will work. Then, the next one is infrared. Make sure the TV is on. Point the remote directly at the TV sensor, press power to test control, and IR remotes don't need pairing but require clean and clear line of sight. If the remote was paired before but stopped responding, you can remove the batteries, unplug the TV for 60 seconds, plug the TV back in, insert batteries, and hold Home plus OK again. And that's how you program your TCL remote to your TV in just a few minutes. If you want a full guide for universal remotes or voice remote issues, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.